Verifying your identity on Uber Eats is an important process to ensure security and proper account management. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the necessary features for identity verification. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, select account or settings to access your account details. Step 3. Find identity verification. Before starting recovery, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Once you select identity verification, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to provide personal information, upload identification documents, or take a selfie for facial recognition. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After completing the required steps, submit your information. You will receive a confirmation message or notification once your identity has been successfully verified. This may take a few minutes to process. Completing these steps will help ensure your account is secure and compliant with Uber Eats policies. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber Eats support for assistance.